So let's start. How to apply for Karnataka Gruhajyothi Yojana or Karnataka Gruhajyothi scheme, which gives 200 units of free electricity for every household in Karnataka. So for that, first you have to go to the Google app in your phone, or go to the Chrome browser in your phone to apply for this scheme. So here you can see the Google app. Click on that Google app. Once you click on the Google app, you will see this search page. Click on the search. Here you have to type https colon slash slash seva sindhu gs dot karnataka dot gov dot in slash. So click on the search now. See, this page will open. So here you can see what are the guarantees the Karnataka government announced, that 5 guarantees you can see here, that is Gruha Lakshmi, Gruhajyothi, Shakti, Yuvanidhi and all other schemes. So now only Gruhajyothi registration was started. So click on Gruhajyothi symbol. To apply for Gruhajyothi scheme, just click on the Gruhajyothi, which is second one. It is mentioned here Gruhajyothi. So click on that, which had bulb symbol. Once you clicked on the Gruhajyothi symbol, this application form will open. So you have to fill this application form to take the benefit of the Gruhajyothi scheme. So first it is asking for preferred languages here. So it is given English or Kannada option. So you can choose whichever language you are comfortable in. If you are comfortable in English, then choose English language. If you are comfortable in Kannada, then choose Kannada. Here I am choosing English option. Then it is asking for ESCOM name. So ESCOM name means electricity supply company. It is different for different region. For example, in Bangalore it is BESCOM. In Mysore it is MESCOM. So like that, in your region you have some specific electricity supply company. So based on that, accordingly you have to choose that electricity supply company in the given option. Here some of the options are given: BESCOM, SESC, GESCOM, HESCOM, MESCOM, HERIX. So here I am choosing BESCOM. Next, after that, it is asking for account ID or connection ID. This is the account ID, nothing but an account ID in your electricity bill. This account ID is usually mentioned or written um, in the top of your electricity bill. So just take the electricity bill of this month or any other month. um, just search for the account ID. You can clearly see the account ID with had some numbers. um, just type that numbers um, correctly in this. Here you can see the electricity bill I given for this bill for your references. Here you can see it mentioned that the electricity supply company is Bangalore Vidyut Sarabaraju Company Niyamita. That means BESCOM. And it also mentioned here RR number, account ID. So you have to uh, type the number which is given as account ID. It clearly marked in this box. So if you want, you can take the reference of this bill while typing the account ID box. Once you enter the correct account ID of your electricity bill, it automatically fills the other two blanks, that is account holder name and account holder address. So the account holder name and account holder address as per the as same as mentioned your electricity bill, so it will automatically fill up those blanks. So no need to fill the other two, this account holder name and account holder address, no need to fill. If you just type the account ID correctly, it will automatically take up. Next you have to fill the type of occupancy. If you are a owner of the house, just choose owner. If you are a rented person, uh, then choose tenant. Or otherwise, if you are a family member of the owner or family member of the tenant, then you are applying for this scheme. You have to choose family member. Here I am choosing tenant. Then Aadhar number. So if you are a owner of the house, you have to type your Aadhar number. If you are a rented person, you have to fill Aadhar number of yours, not the owner. So just fill the Aadhar number here. Then it automatically shows the name of yours. So no need to fill the applicant name of the Aadhar. If you are entering correct Aadhar number, then it automatically shows your name which is mentioned your Aadhar number. Then you have to type mobile number for communication. Uh, you have to type your mobile number here. That's it. And then declaration. Here you have to declare that I hereby declare that the above account ID or connection ID is used only for domestic purpose. If the same account ID or connection ID is used for any other purpose other than domestic purpose, I am aware that benefit shall automatically forfeited and I am ready to repay the benefits already obtained with interest. So all the details I have provided are correct to the best of my knowledge. So here you have to declare that you are taking benefits of this scheme only for the domestic purposes, not for the commercial one. If you are taking for commercial one, you have to repay what are the benefits you have taken with interest to the government, um, to the government. So hence This is the scheme only for the domestic purposes, means households, not for the commercial one, that is industries or any enterprises. So just click on I agree button. In front of I agree you can see the small box, just click on that. Then after that, word verification, just you have to type the 6 number 715744, and then click on the submit button. In the green background you can see the submit button, just click on this submit button. It will shows that your application is received and it is applied successfully. After that you will have to take the screenshot of the acknowledgement number or save it in a PDF for further use and any other communications. Once you submitted your application, it shows like this. See, sevasindhugs.karnataka.gov.in says application submitted successfully. So once this dialog box will appear, your application is submitted successfully. So this is done. After that you have to click on OK. Then you will receive the acknowledgement number. Once you click on the OK button, you will receive this receipt. This is the acknowledgement number receipt, and here you have your name and the electricity supply department name, your address, your Aadhar number, your mobile number, what are the information you filled in application. Um, that information is exactly appear in this page. So check once again, and at the bottom of this page you can see a download button. So click on the download button which is in green color. After that it will shows the option of save it in a PDF file. So click on that. So your acknowledgement number will saved in PDF. So this is useful for further uses or any other communication regarding this scheme. So just save it or take a screenshot of the acknowledgement number for further helps. So that's it. You done with the Gruhajyothi scheme. This is done. That's it. Now you are completely and successfully applied for this Gruhajyothi scheme, and this is done. That's it. You are done with this scheme. Just save the acknowledgement number in a PDF format or just take the screenshot of it for further communication with this scheme. Uh, that's it. Whoever facing difficulty in accessing the Seva Sindhu portal, I given a link in description box. Please check that and click on the link. It will directly redirect you to the Seva Sindhu portal. So no need to type the link. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family members or any other member who ever needed this video to apply for Gruhajyothi scheme. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.